So having decided it's time to finally start getting rid of this gut here, I have invested in this Citysports treadmill. Now the great thing about this is it's going to allow me to get my steps in every day, but because the speed has been effectively doubled from previous models, this now goes up to 12.5 kilometres per hour. I can also use this for some jogging too. No more excuses, oh but it's raining outside. I can use this to get my exercise. This is a 2-in-1 treadmill, meaning that you can use it as I've got it set up in the garage here with the handles upright, and then you can just hold on to these for safety. There is also this safety clip here which attaches onto your clothes, and if that disconnects from the actual treadmill itself, then the whole thing will shut down. But you can also put these handles down completely and then put this under a standing desk, for example, and then work whilst you get your exercise or steps in. As you can see on the bottom here, we have the display. That gives you your various stats, a rough estimation of calories burned and the time that you have been exercising for. But up here on the top, we also have a timer along with a stand for your tablet or phone. This has a nice non-stick surface. We have the controls up here, which are obviously not going to be useful if the actual handles are folded down, but that's not an issue because we also have a little remote controller as well. The belt on this is really comfortable, absolutely non-stick, so I can use this whether I am wearing shoes or even just in my socks. So first things first, attach the safety clip to my clothing. I'm in jeans, so not the best demonstration here, but hopefully you'll get the idea as to how this works. Hitting the start button gives me a 3-second timer countdown until the treadmill kicks in at 1 kilometre per hour here. So obviously not a very usable speed, but I can go ahead now and increase that right here on the handle, or I could increase it using the included remote controller that I showed you. So right now I'm at 3.5 kilometres per hour, a pretty decent walking pace. I can go ahead and increase that a little bit more, maybe to 4.5, which is a pretty active walking pace for me. The stride is fine on this for me. I'm 5 foot and 9 inches in height. That little bit of a squeak is just the bottom of my jeans rubbing on the belt. When I'm doing my main exercises, I'm wearing something a little bit more appropriate. But I find this treadmill is absolutely more than adequate for my needs. I can increase the speed again to up to 12.5 kilometres per hour, which is way faster than what I would be comfortable with when using this. Not because of the treadmill itself, but just because of my own abilities. But you know, if you want to go for a good run, then you have that option here, which is really helpful. But honestly, this has been great for me, getting my steps in each day. Really glad I got this. Been a great purchase, and I'd recommend it, the Citysports 2-in-1 folding treadmill.